So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to connect your Bybit to your Google Authenticator. So first, you need to access your Bybit account by opening your Bybit application on your mobile device. And once you're in, you will see this page, but currently I'm not yet verified, so I will just demo to how to connect your Bybit to your Google Authenticator. So first, click on the profile icon which is located at the top left corner of your screen, and once you click on it, you will see a bunch of options right here, but at the middle you will see the security button. You just have to click on that one and just scroll down until you see the Google 2FA authentication, which is toggled off, but in my case I already set it up so it is toggled on. Once you click on that, it will automatically send an email or actually an OTP, whether it is on your email or your phone number, on how you created your account. So after that, a security key will pop up on your screen for you to able to paste it on your Google Authenticator for it to set up. So that's how you connect Bybit to your Google Authenticator.